Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts on your mobile device. While Shorts can be fun, they can also be a bit distracting and take up too much time. So if you're looking to focus more on long-form content, here's how to hide YouTube Shorts. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. Step 2. Access Shorts. On the homepage, you'll notice YouTube Shorts appear in your feed. You might also see them under subscriptions from different creators. Step 3. Mark Shorts as Not Interested. Tap the three-dot menu, vertical ellipsis, next to any YouTube Short video. Select Not Interested from the list of options. Step 4. Repeat the process. Continue marking multiple shorts as Not Interested. Do this for around 10 to 15 shorts in your feed. Step 5. Refresh the app. Once you've done that, scroll down and refresh the YouTube app. You'll notice that the Shorts section will start disappearing from your homepage and subscriptions feed. Step 6. Clear the app cache. Optional. If you want to make sure the changes stick, you can close the app completely and reopen it. Refresh the page again, and you should see no more shorts in your feed. Bonus: browser version. You can use this method in the YouTube browser version as well. Just follow the same steps when logged into your account. And that's it. Now you can browse YouTube without getting distracted by shorts. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.